Hey guys, my name is Sam, aka Mr. Two Pairs Minimum, and welcome to another episode of Which Is Better, where we take a quick look at the desert boots by Adidas in collaboration with Ye, formerly known as Kanye West. These are a restock from the original release back in April 2019. This re-released back in September 2021 here in the UK for the retail price of £108. Quick disclaimer, this pair is 100% authentic from Adidas and it comes in a brown Yeezy slide-out box, with the style code being EG6462 in the rock and EG6463 in oil. Open up the box, comes the shoes in beige Yeezy paper, no extra accessories, but we're not here for the box, so let's get right into the shoes. The Adidas Yeezy Desert Boot features beige and dark brown mesh uppers with a tonal nubuck and suede overlays. They both have a chunky groovy sole design with a jagged outsole for improved traction. The hiking inspired look continues with a silver reflective 3M running up the tongue, with tonal reflective piping across both panels flanking the midsole for that added visibility at night. These boots are definitely autumn fall ready, but I can argue that these are more of a trans-seasonal piece due to its neutral colours. Sizing wise, I usually go up half a size for Yeezy, but I would recommend going up at least a full size like I did in this video. To answer the question, which is better? I would say the oil, just because it's easier to style and maintain due to its darker tones. A great fall winter investment for colder months. It's premium looking, very comfortable, wide foot friendly, and it has a nice weight to it. It's not heavy as it looks, but has that sturdy, robust look and feel to them. So you've heard my thoughts, now it's time for yours. Let me know which colour you prefer by commenting oily if you prefer the oil colourway, or rocky if you prefer the rock colourway. Thank you so much for watching. It's at Samuel Sago on my social media links. Apart from that, have a good day.